Evacuate now. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New York Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At around 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a giant green monster was seen causing chaos in the streets. This green monster was seen throwing cars like rocks, crashing police like flies, destroying buildings, and causing many deaths. This monster is around 15 feet tall, having a human appearance, olive skin, torn purple pants, and a loud, animalistic roar. Though it is unknown who or what this monster is, he is considered unarmed yet extremely dangerous. The military will arrive shortly to take care of this monster. Due to the imminent threat of this dangerous monster, please carry out these instructions. Evacuate to a different corner of the United States. Take many supplies with you, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, blankets, a first aid kit, cell phones, chargers, and a battery-powered or hand-crank radio for your journey. If you spot this green monster, leave the area and go a different direction, or else he will spot and kill you. Stay tuned to this channel for more updates and information on this dangerous situation.
Good evening, everyone. I am Joanna Smith here at ABC 7 News New York. In today's story, modern marvels arise as monsters? As we speak, an olive-skinned monster is causing massive damage in the streets of New York City. Live from Times Square is my correspondent, Julie Patterson. Julie, are you there?
I am live in Times Square, where everyone is in a mass panic. Like you said, there is a massive olive-skinned monster causing chaos here. If you are in New York City, evacuate now. This monster, now calling himself the Hulk, is... Oh no. I see the Hulk. He's coming for me. Oh no.
Oh no. Chill? Oh dear, the Hulk got to her. We are temporarily going off the air until the situation is resolved. From ABC 7 New Year, this is Joanna Smith, signing off.